Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. If you're watching this video right now, you're probably doing some research on YouTube about how to make money on Clickbank as a beginner. So I'm going to talk about that in a second. See you soon. Hey, welcome back. If this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, I'm always coming out with content that will teach you how to earn your first dollar on the internet. So consider subscribing to this channel by clicking the subscribe button, right? And if you would like to learn how to do affiliate marketing properly, build out a really powerful six-figure internet marketing business, I think I can help you and show you how to do that. All you have to do is click the link below. You don't have to wait till the end of this video, okay? But what we're going to talk about right now is Clickbank, okay? And how to actually make money on Clickbank as a beginner, right? Now, if you go onto YouTube and you Google how to make money on Clickbank, you're gonna find hundreds of videos, which will actually showing you on the screen how to go through the program, pick products, and all that stuff. So I'm not gonna do that kind of stuff because that's all that's all tactical stuff, right? That's stuff that you can learn very, very easily on YouTube. What a lot of these guys don't show you is the strategy, right? So strategy on how to make money online is actually the most important thing. Tactical stuff you can learn very easily, like how do you send an email, how do you pick products, what does gravity score mean, right? All of that kind of stuff, I'm not going to waste your time because that's really, really easy stuff that you can find out how to do quite simply on YouTube, right? But let's talk about the strategy, because strategy on selling affiliate products is very, very important, right? And all Clickbank is Clickbank is one of the biggest marketplaces of digital educational products, and you can find pretty much any kind of product on Clickbank, whether it's weight loss or motivation or make money online or internet marketing or music or gardening, anything, right? Romance, relationships. You can sell and find digital products most of the time for free, okay? And every time you sell those products to a group of people that want those products, so you got the products here, you got the group of people that want them here. When you connect them together, so let's say it's dog training. This person's looking for a dog how to stop their dog from peeing on the carpet, and you can provide that person with that program. You join them together, you make a sale, okay? Now this is the biggest mistake that people make, and you'll see this in all the other videos on YouTube. This is all they talk about. They talk about picking the product, finding good traffic, maybe making a little bonus, and then sending people directly to the sales page and offering them a bonus or something like that to get them to incentivize them to buy, right? Now, here's the problem. A lot of people don't buy like that anymore, right? Now, if this was, back in 2005, 2009, even 2010, I mean, that's like, more than 10 years ago now, 2010, then that's fine. But the problem is the internet now is quite advanced, right? It's been around for a long time. So a lot of people online have seen offers and they've seen sales pages. Now, people love to buy, but they hate to be sold to. Right? Does that make sense? So when people know that you're trying to sell them something, they clam up, they close up, they cross their arms, they're like, why is this person trying to sell me something, right? And so if you drive Facebook ads or email ads or display ads directly to a sales page, right? So if this is your what we call traffic in the industry, that means just audience and eyeballs, you're sending fresh eyeballs to your Clickbank offer sales page, right? Which is what everybody teaches. You're not going to make money that way. So if you waste money on Facebook ads, for example, right? You create Facebook ads, whether they're video ads or picture ads, and you send them straight to your offer, your weight loss offer, or your gaming offer, or your gardening offer. People aren't gonna buy, right? Why are they not gonna buy? Because they're not looking to buy in the first place. They were just scrolling the Facebook news feed, and all of a sudden your ad pops up and says, "Hey, do you want to stop your dog from peeing on the carpet? If you want to learn how, just click here." And when they click on that link, if they click on that link, they were expecting to be educated on how to do it. They're not expecting to buy a product. Does that make sense? This is very different from e-commerce, okay? E-commerce is very specific. If someone is looking to buy, the iPhone 10, they will actually type out iPhone 10, blah, 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 and then you'll see those shopping ads, right? And people will click on those shopping ads and then they'll buy. So e-commerce, which is a physical product angle, is completely different from Clickbank, because Clickbank is digital educational products, right? So it's very, very different things, okay? You can't put them in the same category. A lot of people that don't understand online marketing, that's what they do. They think that selling a physical product and a digital product is the same thing. It's not. It's completely different, right? The mindset of someone coming in to buy a digital program, an educational program, a self-improvement program, a how-to program, is very different from someone who wants to buy, a mouse, or someone who wants to buy, this little unit that's going to help you to, charge your iPhone, right? It's very, very different, okay? So the way that people buy digital educational products is like this. They are looking to solve a problem, right? So let's just say I've got a dog that is constantly peeing on my carpet, and I'm a new dog owner. I have no idea how to train a dog. I've never had a dog before, right? But I've got this cute little Pomeranian puppy, for example, okay? And I get the puppy, and it's been like 3 months or like 6 months, and my dog won't stop peeing on the carpet. So what do I have? I've got a problem, right? Now I want to solve that problem. So what do I do, right? I will go online, and I'll probably search for how do I stop my dog from being on the carpet. So they'll either do that on Google, they'll do that on Facebook, or they might even do that on YouTube. You're on YouTube right now watching this video, right? You came here and you typed out, how do I, make money on Clickbank, for a beginner. That's probably what you typed out, right? And what happened? You found my video somehow. My video popped up, right? And now I'm educating you, I'm teaching you, about how to make money on Clickbank. Now, this dog person, and we're just using dog training as an example, they're doing the exact same thing. They're seeking out information. Now, if you can be the middle person that connects this person who has that problem, and in this example, we're using the dog training example, right? If you can connect this person to the program, then that's how you win. However, if you send them directly to the sales page, they're not going to buy, because they can get this information. In general, they can get this information for free. Now, here's the thing about free information on YouTube, and you're going to find this as well, right? Even though you can get some very, very decent information on YouTube, you're not going to get the complete information. Does that make sense? So, in order to stop your dog from peeing on the carpet, you need to be educated step by step on how to do that. Now, you might be able to find some free information on YouTube and Facebook and Google, but are you going to get the complete picture? Probably not. Not in one space anyway, and you're not going to get it in the detail that you might want to get it in, right? You might get little bits of free information, right? Just like on YouTube, you can find free information on a lot of things, but are you going to find everything on that topic? Probably not. You're going to have to do a lot of research, and you're going to have to piece all the 100 videos and ideas that you're getting on YouTube or Google or whatever together before you completely understand what you're doing, right? Now, the way that this strategy works, and sorry, I'm going a little bit around, but I'm just trying to explain to you how people actually buy digital programs, right? People will only buy from you if they feel like you're giving them enough value, right? So if you can be that person, to be the middle person where you're giving them enough information so that they get to know, like, and trust you, that's how you can increase your conversions and sell more Clickbank products, okay? So the way that it works is, instead of sending someone directly to a sales page, you want to have a process in front, okay? So this is, let's say this is your Clickbank product, right? Let's say this is the dog training product. What you want to do is you want to wrap the dog training product around, you want to wrap a wrapper around it and create your own content that will teach this dog training person, or people that are interested in teaching their dogs, how to sit, or to stop peeing on the carpet, or to, roll over, stuff like that. You need to be the person, or you need to have content around the sales page that will give them free information on how to do it, right? Because look, this is the internet in today's age, right? People are constantly getting stuff for free. So why would they want to buy your program when they can just go onto YouTube and Google it for free, right? Does that make sense? That's why sending people directly to sales pages, the conversion is very low. However, if you can get them into your world, and you can teach them a little bit about dog training before you even recommend the product, then people will be a lot more willing to buy your program, right? So the way this works is very simple. They come into your sales funnel, you collect an email address, and then through a series of pages, what you're doing is you're educating that person on the topic that they want to learn more about. So if it's dog training, you would teach them over a period of time a little bit about dog training. So in the first day, you might talk about, like, okay, so this is the reason why commanding a dog is not the way to get them to stop. Video number 2 might be, this is the reason why beating your dog is not going to teach them, because that's not how dogs learn. Okay, day number 3, how do you actually teach your dog to understand blah, 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 blah. So you're giving them little bits of information on the topic that they want to learn about. And at any time, if they want to get the whole thing, you say, hey, listen, if you want to learn how to do this properly in a step-by-step, proper program, then all you need to do is click the link below and check out the program where I learned how to become a dog training expert, right? And how I got my dog to stop peeing on the carpet after they had been peeing on the carpet for like 2 years. I just went through this program. It's step by step. If you would like it, you can check it out. And then you link out to your Clickbank product, okay? So now what you've done is you've whetted this person's appetite. Right? So they've came in to learn how to solve a problem. You're teaching them, so they're learning every day. They're learning a little bit more about how to stop their dog from peeing on the carpet. So they're like, this is really, really interesting. This person's really coaching me. They're the dog expert. They're teaching me how to stop my dog from peeing on the carpet. But you're only giving them bite-sized chunks of information. Now, when that person's ready, and if the pain is high enough, and you're doing a good enough job, they're going to want a full program that would teach them exactly how to solve that problem. Right? Because now they're getting bite-sized chunks. But if they're, if you want to get six-pack abs, right, you might be giving people advice, but in order to really learn how to lose six-pack abs properly, you need to go through a proper program. You can't learn all of that information 100% for free on YouTube. It's very, very difficult, right? You have to actually learn all about dieting. You have to learn about the right exercises. You have to learn about calories in, calories out. You have to learn about, HIIT exercises and everything, you have to learn all that stuff right, okay? I hope that makes sense. And the only place you can do that is in a proper program. So eventually, if you do this right and you execute it properly, people will buy those programs from you. And that is how you really make money on Clickbank as a beginner, okay? Now, I wanted to give you the 30,000-foot strategy first of all, okay? Because very few people talk about this stuff. All they talk about is the tactics. They talk about how to pick the products, what the gravity score means, how to, send traffic directly to the sales page. But if you do that, you're not gonna make any sales. You have to understand the concept and the strategy on how people buy digital educational products in this day and age, okay? It's not like it was 10 years ago where you can just send people straight to a sales page because they've never seen an offer. In today's game, you have to add value first, ask for the sale last. This is called indirect marketing, okay? So you have to send people to your content, your wrapper, before you ever show them the sales page, because people buy from people that they know, like, and trust in the digital educational space. I hope that makes sense, right? If you can be the person that can teach them how to do that, they're going to want to buy from you instead of the 10,000 other affiliates that are selling the same dog training product. Does that make sense? Okay, I hope that makes sense. I hope you're having some aha moments right now. Let me know in the comments below, first of all, what you thought of this video, okay? Is it a little bit different from all the other videos teaching you how to sell stuff on Clickbank on YouTube, right? I would appreciate some thumbs ups if you got some value from this video today. And listen, if you would like to learn how to do this properly, right? All you need to learn how to do, all you need to do now is click on the link below, and in the description box, you'll find my website right there. It's gonna lead you to my page. Enter your best email address because I'm gonna send you some free training on how to actually do this in more detail, okay? So right now, we're just talking about the concepts of how this actually works, and then if you want to take this further, I've got some free training that will show you more step by step. How do you actually do this properly? How do you, why affiliate marketing is so powerful, how to set up your business right, what to stay away from, how to find good programs, how to find good products, how to set up the sales process, how to do what I just spoke about properly step by step. So if you'd like to check that out, you can click the link below. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you very, very soon, hopefully on another video. Take care.